Stuck car?
It's kind of fucked up. Ah, you're stuck. Haha, let me videotape you.
Well, idiots.
Oh, shit.
Even if they did find it, nothing would happen because you're not drinking it.
Is the bus really stuck? They
I
use
think so, yeah. I've never seen a bus with chains in my life. This idiot.
Slow down
He needs to get off the fucking road. Alright, you need to go, go to the right a little bit. A tad. Oh yeah, you're in deep right now. Go to the right-ish. You're going into a mound.
Wow,
whoa, white out. We can't see shit. Damn.
I guess it goes straight. Oh, this man
Holy fuck.
shoveling his way out.
Like we just did.
Wow, the track.
This is insane.
This is real ballistic.
Well, that's the point. Exactly, yeah. Look at that.
This asshole is going.
What?
Look! He's fucking going straight on the wrong side of the road.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What is wrong with
Zach,
you,
watch
asshole?
the curb, because like... Oh my god. Oh my god. Go, yeah, go.
I know, that's what I'm trying to do. But
Alright.
he was fucking all the way over here.
Yeah, well, he don't know where the road is.
Look at this. What are these assholes doing?
Dude, I don't know. I'm so confused. Like, what are you doing?
Fucking assholes.
The fuck are they doing? The truck's pulling the truck out?
Yeah.
Wow. That's nuts. Look at all these stuck motherfuckers. You know why? Because nobody plowed this fucking road. Look. Stuck. 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 Because nobody plowed. You're good. Alright. Okay, they're all stuck.
Where am I going? To the left or the right?
Stay in the middle and hit it. And watch this Jeep. Okay, hit it as best you can and maybe try to go back correct that way. Into... Yeah. Okay, and then stay, like, here. Leftish.
I know, I'm trying.
Alright.
I'm turning the steering wheel, it's not going.
God. Because that's the high that I like. I like to mix them together. I don't like to just do
Holy
just
shit.
pills.
What's
Oh
that
my
in
god,
front of
something is coming at us, and it's big. Oh shit. Oh, wow.
Yeah! Car running. Are you getting out of the car now?
No.
Oh.
For what?
You get out of the car, sorry.
We're gonna get out and drink. Damn. Shit is fucking insane. 2?
5.
5. Okay, shut up. No breathing. Don't give up. Well, I needed to get off of me because it's gonna start going through.
Oh, are you kidding me?
What? Oh boy, they're stuck. So you're gonna have to go out where we came from, but okay.
No, hold on.
What's behind you? That's what I wanted to get out and see. But what's going on? So what the fuck are you supposed to do?
Are they not moving or what? I don't want to get stuck.
I don't know. Oh, they're fucking shoveling. They are stuck. I mean, you could. What about behind you, the way we came in?
That's what they would have to do.
I need to get my hair.
But I can't see it. It's fogged up.
Well, I can get out and. Yeah, Rich, I just need to get my hair out of my fucking neck.
I can't see. It's completely fogged.
It's very uncomfortable wearing all these clothes. Like, it's just unbelievable. Well, I'll get out and tell you.
Your door's open. Close the door. That's why there's no cars coming.
I don't know, but it's deep, so go. Hit it! Ah!
Okay, is anyone behind us?
Not that I see. I hear fucking sirens. I think. I gotta take the shovel out and make a path or a spot for him to fucking go to the bathroom because. There goes the van.
Oh,
Now the van comes out after we did all that maneuver.
Oh, this one's stuck too, huh? Oh, shit.
Damn, well, what are they doing? You know, driving into like a fucking pile of snow.
Holy crap, this is ridiculous. Would you spill some?
No, it's wet on the bottom and it's like going through my gloves. So I didn't know what the fuck was going on. Wow. Crazy.
Getting on the block is gonna be a bitch. That's why I was getting stuck before.
Getting in your spot, getting in any spot. How the fuck are you supposed to get in your spot? I'm wondering. Oh, fuck that. Look at that. It's gone anyways. Look, it's full of snow. The spot's not even there.
Close the window. You're letting all this.
I'm trying to see. Do you see how deep that is? What? Really? Are you serious? You worry about the stupidest shit. What are you doing?
Thinking.
You might as well just park at the fucking end. Instead of playing fucking bumper cars. Because, I mean, if you didn't notice, that entire spot is fucking completely full of snow. What? Oh my god. Look at it, it's gone. The way you went out is gone. It's gone. It's just completely full. Like you were never even there. I don't know. Look at that fucking ass of this car.
How am I gonna get in?
You want me to shovel some?
No. It's gonna take a lot of shoveling.
I don't know how I'm gonna even make a spavalito. I'm just saying shovel you just at least out so you can just drive in. Plow in it. I mean, you're gonna be stuck in there though, probably, you know. Unless you shovel the whole spot.
Just back up into it. That's what they'll be able to do. Because I'm not shoveling all this.
Being that it's that deep though, you'll get in, but how the fuck are you gonna maybe get out?
I'll shovel. Oh man, this is just no joke.
No, right?
I had it with the snow already.
So sick of this bullshit.
You're done. Good luck on Monday. It was tomorrow night. You have to shovel.
It's always something, you know.
Someone coming?
Yeah, and you know.
Someone coming that way?
What, this way? No. And you know what the fuck? Uh oh.
I knew that was gonna happen. This is where I got stuck last time.
Because you gotta hit it. And you know what the problem is too? Is once the snow freezes, and then it freezes on your car like that. Like
Someone behind me? Someone is coming?
Yes. Oh well, you gotta wait. You're digging yourself in, lady.
Come right at my ass.
Well, I mean, are you fucking serious? Like, whatever. We're fucking idiots. Oh, this one wants to turn. Get out, because we're not, like, fucking... Alright, you want me to get out?
Yeah.
I need to show up.
Close enough. Wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Because I could probably get us out.
What?
I could probably get us out.
Alright, so drive.
What?
Give up yet?
Yep.
You ain't going anywhere. Just an FYI.
What? What's out?